it's so cold. Look, y'all. I just heard the wind blowing on the doors and the windows. We're having a blizzard out here out of nowhere. It just started coming down. I can't open the door all the way. It's too cold. But the wind is blowing so hard. And the snow is pouring. It's coming down. There's a spider web blowing too right there. I'm still in the outfit I wore last night and this morning and dancing videos, so I don't have sleeves on. It's so cold. So cold out here. I can't believe how much the wind is blowing. Looks like it blew over some of my boxes at the trash bin. But it's definitely coming a blizzard out here. Look at that. Snow all over me. Ooh, so cold. Definitely getting snow. A snow blizzard. It's pretty cool though, even though it's cold. Oh my goodness. So cold. I've never seen it do this before. Like out of nowhere like that. So cold. Ooh, look at how it's blowing that tree over. It's really coming down too. Really windy, really breezy. You can hear the wind. Oh goodness. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. Oh, I guess I better get back in the house though. I have no sleeves on. This is cold. It's past due for it to snow though. Oh, that wind is so cold. So cold. Oh my goodness, look at the snow sticking to my arm. The hairs on my arm. Ice, baby. It is cold. It's sticking to the ground over there on the road too. It was pouring the rain earlier. I guess this is what we get, is the snow now. It's not sticking to that spider web though. So cold. It's pretty though. I think it's pretty cool looking. Pretty cool looking. So cold. Ooh. I don't know how much more I can handle it. It's coming off the roof. Oh my goodness. Wind is bad. It's so cold. Oh, that's all I can say is it's cold. I'm freezing. It's the snow on my arm hairs. It's just a blur out, a whiteout of snow. So the snow might hit the phone and cut the phone off from recording. If it does, that's what happened. There's my tracks. I'm not getting off the porch. I'm not getting off of here. I'll make a little heart. Try to for you guys with my shoe. The wind blew those boxes all over the place. I had a garbage bin. I think it's slowed down a little bit, the wind has. It's so cold. You can't see above the mountain tops. All you can see pretty much is white. My shoes are frozen and sticking to this snow here. The bottoms of my shoes. It looks like it's clearing up down there though. On the other side. Oh, here comes the wind again. I spoke too soon. I actually kind of love it though. It's pretty. There's some blue sky right through there. Ooh, got trash bags that blew over there too that I was going to take to the trash bin. There's some blue sky. I'm shivering because I do not have a jacket on. I just have this short sleeve shirt on. Ooh. It's melted a little bit. My hairs are sticking up all over my arm. I'm so cold. It is cold out here. So cold. Very cold. You can see the wind blowing on the pond too there. I think it slacked off a little bit, but my fingers are frozen from holding the phone. I think I'm gonna go inside, even though I don't want to. The sky's pretty where it's blue. My shoes are sticking all over to the snow on the bottoms. Okay, I think it's about slowed down. It's not as wide anymore and the wind's not as bad. I guess I'll go back inside. Anyways, that's what the weather looks like. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later. Thanks. Bye-bye. Let me show you my arm one more time. It's melted off. You can see the water speckles. My hairs are still sticking up on my arm. I can barely write my name. In the snow. It's so cool looking, the snow is. Little powder puff balls. Looks like powdered sugar. Anyways, I'll get off here. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later. I'm really gonna go this time. Bye-bye.